If you're trying to achieve a very smooth grinding, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been long I do this type of video, but I'm back. I've been using this blender for 11 months now, and this is what I'll tell you. If you all watched my previous video where I unboxed and also listed out the functions of each of the jugs, you can scroll up to watch it. You can see it's been 11 months. Guys, it's been 11 months. And I can boldly talk about this blender. Oh, quick one. I was using the VTCL blender before I got this one. It was a different one. I'm going to attach the picture here. It's a cream color. So I've been a VTCL person. So this is the second product I'll be using. And I will tell you, even from the past one I used, I really enjoyed it. If you're looking for a blender that works, I'll surely recommend this VTCL blender. There's one thing I want to call our attention to. If you remember, if you watched the previous video, I talked about the functions of each jugs. The last jug is not here. There's a bigger one for your juice, for smoothie. Now, there's something I want to call our attention to. You know this particular big stainless jar is for a liquid grinding. If you watch the previous video I posted, it is for your liquid grinding, while this one is for mixing. This one is for all of your small grinding. I use it for my wet or dry grinding, but it's for any small quantity grinding I want to do. Like I said, this is for your wet grinding, but there's a twist. There is a twist. If you're trying to achieve a very smooth grinding, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. So this is what I do. If you're trying to get a very smooth grinding, this is what you're going to do. You're going to use this jug, this stainless jar, but there's a twist. Like I said, you can't use this for your liquid because there are spaces here. There are spaces here to not allow it to hold. So let me just show you how to do it. Remove this lid. Remove this lid and replace it with this big one. Replace it with this big one, and that is it. That is how you achieve your smooth grinding. Your small stainless jar with the lid of the big jar, and that's it. You're going to get a very smooth grinding. It won't take much of your time. Just swap the lid. Okay, so guys, if your blender stopped working, this is what you're going to do. You lift up your blender and you turn it upside down. You see a red button here. Just press the red button and that's it. Your blender will continue working. This is the reset button and to start working. That's it. So guys, will you be trying this hack? Let me know in the comment section.